The equipment needed is going to be one size 4 hook, one spool of 20-pound test monofilament fishing line, and one pair of nail clippers. You're going to cut about 2 feet of fishing line using your nail clippers. Grab your hook with the pointy tip facing down. Grab one end of your fishing line while holding your hook face down. Put the end of your fishing line through the bottom of the hook with the line laying over the top of the hook. You're going to need about 1 inch of line going through that hole. While pinching the line that's on your hook, take the line that's on the opposite side of the hole and begin looping it around the bottom of the hook. Loop around the hook 10 times. It should look something like this after looping it. You're going to want to secure your 10 loops by actually pinching the 10 loops that you've just made. Take the opposite side of your line and loop to the top of your hook hole. Make a loop with a line that was actually put through the hole. Take the loop that you just made and pull the loop over the top of your hook. You're going to want to take the loop that you just pulled over the top of the hook and twist it once. This should give you the shape of an X. Now for this step, you're going to want to take the X loop that you've just made and bring the line over the top of the hook. So you're going to twist and feed that loop back over the top of the hook. Give it to you a couple of times here, show you an example how I'm doing it. You can see that I'm twisting it once, then looping it back over, and then I'm twisting it once and looping it back over. And I'm doing this 10 times in a row. Once you have your other 10 loops, you're going to once again pinch the top of your loops and secure them. Once you've actually secured your lines by pinching them, you're going to want to pull the long end of your fishing line. This is actually going to tighten the loops that you've made and actually make your knot. Actually going to want to push the long end of your line through the hole. This will make a loop, and this is actually where your bait will go. Put a piece of bait in your actual loop that's right underneath your hook. With your bait in the actual loop, you're going to want to pull the opposite side, the long end of the line, and this is going to secure your bait in there. This is what your egg loop is going to look like when it's in use. So when you're actually fishing, this is what it's going to look like when it's underwater. Making this knot will take patience, but by following these instructions, you'll definitely be able to make this loop possible.